Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a guild on Discord, step by step. Whether you're building a casual hangout or a competitive gaming squad, this guide will help you set up your guild the right way. Let's get started. If your server is part of the experiment, you'll see a pop-up on the top left of your Discord app that says you can convert your server to a guild. Click Check It Out to begin. Now choose the game or games your guild plays. This helps others find your guild based on shared gaming interests. You can always edit or add more games later. Next, select your play style. You can pick from very casual, casual, hardcore, very hardcore. Choose what best represents how your guild plays. Pick your target audience. You can filter by game ranks, preferred ages, and other demographics to attract the right members for your community. Add some personality to your guild. Choose at least 3 traits that describe your guild's vibe. Whether you're all about anime, strategy tips, or even cheesecake, this is the place to show off your group's unique flavor. Write your guild description. Tell potential members why they should join, what your community is all about, and what makes your guild awesome. Also, describe your guild in just 3 creative words. It helps catch attention fast. Now it's time to customize your guild tag and badge. Your tag can be up to 4 characters, like GGXP. Note that tags don't have to be unique. Choose a badge design, then pick colors using the presets or color picker to match your guild's vibe. Level up your guild branding with a banner style. You can pick from cool designs like Night Sky, Castle, World Map, Seafoam, Warp, and more. Adjust the color scheme with the eyedropper tool to make it your own. Set up a guild application form. Ask questions like, why do you want to join? What's your favorite game character and why? Choose the format. Short answer, long paragraph, or multiple choice. At least 1 question is required to continue. Once everything's filled out, just sign the charter, and boom, your guild is officially live. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.